In this video, we'll learn about C++'s compound assignment operators. These operators are very easy to use and commonly used in C++ code. The syntax for the operators is pretty simple. It's the operator you wish to use immediately followed by an equal sign. There are quite a few of these operators, but we'll focus on the mathematical operators. The bottom half of this table includes the operators that are used to manipulate bits. They're called bitwise operators, and I'll cover them later in this course. So let's look at the first one in the table, the plus equal operator. We apply the operator as in the example column. For example, left-hand side plus equals right-hand side. The meaning of this would be to increment the left-hand side by the right-hand side and then store the resulting value in the left-hand side. We'll see a few real code examples in the next slide. All of these operators work the same way. For example, the multiplication equal operator multiplies the left-hand side by the right-hand side and stores the product back in the left-hand side. Let's see some examples. Here we see some examples of using several of the compound assignment operators. Let's look at the first example, a plus equals 1. This means increment the left-hand side by the right-hand side and store the result back into the left-hand side. So this is the same as a equals a plus 1, and it's another way of incrementing a variable by 1. The second example works exactly the same way, except that we'll be dividing the a by 5, then storing the result back into a. The third example shows how the entire right-hand side is evaluated before the operator is applied. In this case, we have a multiplication equal b plus c. This means multiply a by the sum of b plus c. Then store the product back in a. In the last example, we're incrementing cost by the product of item and tax. The best tip I can give you when you write these operators is to think of the right-hand side as being inside parentheses, and you'll always have it right.